nice day. Sure is comfortable without Flop or Bella or Lauren disturbing me. That noise. Oh my Jesus!
Hi, Barn.
I'm fine.
Hey, Barn.
Flop? Hey,
Yeah?
see down there!
Hold on.
Oh no.
I'm coming up.
What?
Hi.
Alright, I'm here. Wait. Hey, stop throwing my stuff down! I paid a lot of money for that. What? What did I do? No, Flop, what are you doing? I paid a lot of money for this.
I'm just doing renovation for it.
Renovation?
Hey, is this rented or not?
No. Oh yeah, it is.
No?
It is. Yeah, it is. It's
Yours
rented.
entirely?
Yeah.
Okay, so, well, this is a lot of property damage you're gonna have to pay back, Lauren. You're gonna
I
have to pay
hate
all
you
this
so
back, Lauren.
much. Alright, I'm climbing back up. That's it.
Here's your bathtub.
Hey! Don't throw that down. I need that. Don't you dare. Don't throw it down. Don't throw my bathtub down. Don't do it, Flop. Don't do it.
Oh, I already threw it down.
Hey, what? Oh, okay. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. When I get up
Hey,
there.
I broke one of your Van Gogh paintings.
And I'm facing through. Where are? Stop messing with my elevator! Hey, get out of there! Oh God! Let me through! Stop messing with my painting! Where did you go? Well, I'm gonna find you, Flo.
That is out of the question.
Where are you?
That does not matter.
You in here? No. I hear things breaking. You up here? Oh, come on! What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my God! Let me through. Stop blowing up everything I own! Where are
Why?
you? I know you're down here somewhere. Oh, you stupid. Oh God. I own this house. Where are you?
I
Where are
don't.
you?
Nowhere.
I will find you. And I will kill you. Not in the bathroom. You set my whole house ablaze. You down
didn't.
here?
I thought you said there was a renting home.
Well, yeah, now I have to pay for it. Are you in the washing machine?
Yeah.
What's down here? I didn't even know this was down here. I didn't even know I had this. Where is... If I was a Flop, where would I be?
Nowhere.
What is that? Hey! You can't run away from me. I see you in there. God damn it! My bombs! Where the hell did you go?
Maybe that little place where the power is provided to your home.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Where are you? You go in here?
Nowhere.
Did you go in one of the tanks? Why did I just hear a bomb? Hey! Where the hell are you? I'm jumping across trees here.
Oh my god, it's Tarzan.
Hello. I'll find you. Alright, satellite. Oh, I see you. Oh, I see you. God, no, that's my house.
Shit. Hey man, hey, we can talk this out, man.
Stand still. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. God damn it. God damn it.
God damn it.
No. Yes, I got a hit on you. Hey.
You broke it.
No! No, God damn it! Hey, hey, that's up here. I'm putting that down. Why are you just there? Hey! No! 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 I'm stuck in the stairs! God damn it! I see you! I see you flying away! I'm gonna snipe you. Oh god, why are we so high in the sky? Oh god, he's dropping down. Oh my god, you're getting like terminal
Yeah.
air velocity. Oh god, I almost died. I see you in there. Where the hell are you?
Not on the beach.
What do you mean not on the beach? I don't see you down there.
I said not on the beach.
Oh, okay. I trust you. Where, if I was Flop, where would I be?
Wait, hey, where was the book again to open up the secret room?
I don't know.
Asking for a friend.
Why did it... Okay, I'll be your friend. It's on the second floor.
Alright, thank you.
So,
Not that I'm going there.
so just go to the second floor.
Uh-huh. And after that?
You'll be good. Just call up the
Good,
elevator.
as in-
Just call up the elevator and go to floor 2. Please, just
Okay.
just do it.
Why?
Just fucking do it, you dumbass. No, actually, where are you? Where the hell are you? Flop?
Yeah?
Where are you?
I'm in the tunnel system.
What do you mean tunnel system?
I'm inside that little secret room.
I don't know where the secret room is!
You know, in the little house. You know, where the bookshelves are and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm coming in. Where are you? What's that noise? And I'm in the bookshelf area. Wait,
It's nothing.
I swear I just heard bombs above my house. Are you actually in here?
Oh, I literally just best hiding spot.
Really?
Yeah, there's literally no way you can find me unless you were.
This
like,
was what?
very rogue.
This is a pro?
Yeah.
Oi! Oi! That's not fair! That's not fair! You're cheating, you're hacking.
No!
Yes! 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 Yes!
I didn't know you could get it from there. Ow! I didn't know you could get it. No!
I know all the secrets!
Alright, son.
Yeah?
Rule number 1 to following the road is stay on the right side of the road. Right
Alright.
is right.
Alright.
Alright? Now, hey, I didn't say start driving. Hey, stop it.
I'm sorry!
Let me control it.
Alright.
Son, you just busted something. Not the first time, I bet. But it's no busting November, alright? Don't
Alright.
bust my car.
Alright.
So, another rule is follow the signs. Make sure to follow the rules on the sign. Stop sign, you stop and wait for anyone who's there. Alright? If there's an officer, hey, son, you're gonna need to chill out with that.
Hey, I see a sign!
Son?
Yeah?
Son, don't stay on the right side of the road.
This is not
Try
the
your
right
best.
side. We gotta go to the
Alright,
right
so
side.
that pedal is go, and that pedal means stop, alright?
Alright.
Now, I'm giving you full control over the car now.
Alright.
Just don't bust it. No busting November. Son, flip the car.
It's okay. I got this. Oh, shit. Push! Push!
Don't worry, son.
Damn it.
Rule number 5 is always steal cars that buy.
What were you saying?
Son, get in.
Alright.
Alright, now let me show you how it's done, alright? So, step 1 is you gotta drift.
Alright.
Alright, son? You have to do a little bit.
Alright. Let's get out. I got this. I got
Drive
this. Oh god. Oh god.
Let me help you out. Let me help you. You're a little stuck.
Oh. Oh. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I don't think this one works. Oh god. I don't want to drive that one. Yeah. I can't control it. I can't control it. How did I kill you? I'm sorry. I can control this. I can control it. Hey Dad, I got it. I'm on the right side of the road. I'm following the signs.
Great job, son. You're doing a great job, son.
I'm doing a great job, Dad.
Son. Son.
Oh, I'm fine. Ooh,
Son,
that kinda
what you
hurt.
just did there could have been very dangerous. You could have driven off into the ocean.
Yeah,
Like
I
over
would
here,
never do
if you
that.
drive off,
I would never do.
Son, you busted my tank. And no busting. I'm gonna have to kill you now.
No. What a nice day. Well, now that my dad's gone and Flop's gone, I can just chill at my rented house forever. What's that noise? Probably nothing.
I lied.
What just happened? Oh. Oh.
My monster truck is gone.
No! It's probably fine. Should Sure is comfortable now. Without my dad or Flop here to annoy me. It's a
Or
noise.
Bella.
Oh
Hi,
my
Squidward.
Hello? Ah, in my house! You can't do
Hi,
that!
Barn.
Hey, get on my property! Get on my property! No, 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 Flop!
Barn.
I'm falling down with you, Flop! Oh my god! Hey, we did it!
Yay, we did it.
Hi, Squidward. Hi, Squidward.
My God.
Hi, Squidward. I'm flying back up. Alright, now that that's dealt with, there is nothing that can disturb me ever again while I chill on my cliff house. How will you not move? Stupid couch. Hey! Oh, you can't do that! Hey! Hey, it's not, I paid for that! I'll pay for this! Hey, what did I do to deserve this? Stop! Stop!
Hi, Barn. You
Hey,
said I was
Fluff.
annoying, right?
Yes, you are. You just blew up my house. Wait. Ah! Oh my god! Oh! My house! How could you, Flop? How could you do this to me?
Me? I didn't do anything.
I hate you
I'm
so
an
much.
innocent little boy.
I'm pulling out the rocket launcher. I hate this house. I hate it. La 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 la.
Saw a body fly out.
Alright, that's it, Flop. I'm gonna put my house, I'm gonna line it with nitroglycerin, and then I'm gonna explode it. La-da-dee, la-da-dum, la-da-dee. I hate... What?
Still alive.
Why
You're
is there a
10
dead body
out.
here? Where's my
Oh,
piano?
yeah, that was your butler.
Oh. Rip him. Where the hell are you? I literally just... Are you in my bathroom? No.
No. Why would you think that? That's
Let me just
weird.
adjust my painting. Where, if I was Flop, where would I be? You said, where's my grand piano?
Oh,
Where's my
that,
piano?
like, I mean, like, it's that, it's, kind of
Alright,
like,
where are you? I
not-
will find you, Flop. Alright, that's it. I'm lining this house with nitroglycerin.
Good luck.
I will find you, Flop. What's that noise?
It was me and that thing inside of the shed.
I'm getting angry, Flop. I will find you.
No, you won't.
Oh, god damn it. Where the hell are you? Oh, I bet you're in my bookshelf area. You trying to snipe me?
Definitely not inside that tunnel again. Just don't check the shed if there's anything, like the hole that you made in the shed. Don't check it.
Okay, I will.
It's not needed.
Hey, why is it planked up?
Because I'm not in there.
Alright then. I'm ready for anything. Come out! Come out, Flop! you in here? I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Are you in there? I'm scared to go down.
Go down?
Hell no.
I'm not in there.
Is there a dead guy on the ground?
That might be one of our bodies from earlier.
Why do I hear fire?
Fire? There's no fire.
Why is there a flop?
What?
Why is there
Yeah.
Why is there a dick spray painted? What did you do? Where the hell are you?
That was the Dickinson's clan. They were here. They raided base more. They raided you. They raided your base more and you were offline. They
Oh
raided your
really?
base.
Oh really?
Yeah, they took out
Where
your
is that
town
fire
hall.
sound from? What is that noise? I'm checking the caves.
No. Caves, what?
You in here? You're not in here? You're not in the cave system?
What cave system?
Where's the fire coming from?
It's probably above.
Oh no. Tell me. Oh my god. Alright. Where the hell? Are you still in there? Are you in the bookshelf area?
No.
Oh god damn it. Why is there I'm vandalizing your dick. I'm gonna cross it out. I don't like it. Hey! Hey!
I wasn't hiding in that room.
You were hiding in that room?
No.
Were you hiding like under the desk or something?
Yeah.
I didn't hear glass break. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Alright, that's it. You're dead meat. You're dead meat, bro. You're dead meat. Why is my thing covered? Guessing you broke in from here, cause this is where I heard the glass shatter. I'm guessing you're
Not in any of the bathrooms.
what? I heard that. I heard that.
No, you didn't.
I heard the gun sound. Wait, can you keep making the gun sound? Oh, I know where you are. What do I hear?
Hear what?
What is?
Don't check the ceiling.
Why shouldn't I check the ceiling? What?
You know, in that really big room, don't.
I'm checking the ceiling. I don't see anything. Did you break a light? I'm looking at the ceiling.
No.
I don't see anything. I
They
heard
didn't do
footsteps.
anything there.
I heard footsteps.
No. I didn't.
Fucking heard that. Where is that? Where are you?
Zoink. I think he may have found us. You're definitely not down the tunnel by now. You literally telling you that to
Don't
check
look-
the ceiling
don't look
gave me
above
enough
you.
time.
Huh?
Oh god! Oh my god!
Yes.
No, I'm alive! I'm alive! Oh my god! I'm gonna get hit here!
Ow.
No! 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 I'm stuck! I'm stuck! No! No! No!
Did you blow up?
Yes! I got stuck in the stairs! I hear movement. I know you're somewhere here. Don't tell me. Oh, I know where you are. Oh, I know where you are. Don't hide from me. What the hell? Why are there so many planks?
I'm building a house. Let me.
Okay, I'll watch. Let's do a time. Let's
I'll
do a
just be
time
the homeless
lapse.
man in your basement.
Let's do a time lapse. House time lapse. Alright guys, we're gonna come here with the showcase of Flop's house. Here we have some nitroglycerin, you know, the usual. Funny statue. Got a funny statue, a door, a nice house, you know, floating body. God damn it, die! Alright guys, we're gonna do a showcase on the house. We redid the house. It looks pretty nice actually. Alright, Flop. So we got the interior, you know, with some extra holes we added in. You know, the usual. We got some nitroglycerin here. Let me just detonate that. Detonate that. And it looks pretty nice so far, actually. We got this room over here, you know, it's all destroyed. It's pretty nice. What is Flop doing? Hey! Where are you? Oh my god! Alright guys, well, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. And I'll see you guys. Wait, remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.